Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do something different. Besides doing magic tutorials, we are going to Penang Swimming Club PSC to go kayaking with my friends. So see you there. Bye. Okay guys, so we finally arrived, so now we are going to the beach of PSC. Yo, what's up? So now we're going.
What? Wait.
Now we're going to eat lunch lah, of course. 整天做头发。Why are we in the car park? I thought we were going to eat lunch. Yeah, 我们到 restaurant 了。Yeah, we finally arrived at the restaurant. Everything here is so fancy, even him. Guys, even the menu here is so fancy, look. The cups are so big, bigger than the bottle. Even the straws are fancy. Pink. The food here is also very fancy. Fancy, just like this guy.